Guys, so I'm on my way to work. Because Udele Potago. Udela, are you out? Udele. A dead man in the area around. Udele. I heard that in the like in Apogo, okay. Nago, okay. Really confused. One old man, Mammy Bonano. Amazing also a land and I should that in a statement, not just inviting came again. Now my question becomes, are you still writing statements? Are you still writing statements? That's my question. Or are you still waiting for them to see you before you come out? I'm trying to figure out, like, seriously. Guys, share my program as you're watching. Share. Click love and share. If you have been a partaker of this man havoc, tormenting, like he put on a Facebook, yeah. Yana wadu usuno negi. Ne when he negi game, and when he game, nage be ye wogi. Nage botonya hega botan. The car no na jail. You know, even if you're not supporting Nandekano or whatsoever, even if you're not a fan, but an Igbo man wishing an Igbo man on, what is your take on it? What is your take on it? Where are your conscience? Huh? So every single thing Udele wished millions. I Chige wish ya 1 trillion times. I mean it I meant every word that comes out of my mouth and the ones about to come out of my mouth. I stand Udele to peme with every bitter truth in me, with undiluted one in me. My wish is that everything every single person's, all the lies he labeled on millions, and idiots, those that are really filtered with fat in their brain, those ain't no conscience, just that they want to catch cruise with other people's pen. Bianca Onu don't know who is Udele. He ridiculed that young beautiful woman reputation for no just cause. He made a caricature of a hero. Ojukwu has fought his own fights. This guy be a copy to Ojukwu. Yana slice Ojukwu like Ojukwu never existed. One thing I notice Ebende Yorubano is that they don't insult their elders, their heroes, those that has already been there for them. Onya lot to trola. Yana wish you go on. You guys know how much Udele has contributed in people's pain. Are you going to sit on that your useless live stream and keep a straight face? Keep a straight face that this guy we should not tell me what even any dream Udele ma warrior seed in imengaho. Any dream we are seed to instantly with my full chest. Every day, all these minions, all these hoodlums on social media, those that have lost their beginning and the end, they will sit in their own comfortable carpet area. Somebody got put out 24/7. You know they wish him mad and you will sit at your own comfortable zone, your stupidity. Now one that today, why are we laughing? Are you crazy? Are you not? Maybe you guys have forgotten the history of this for this monster. a vampire. How many Igbo guys are one and this guy? And you guys will pretend that you guys don't know what is going on? And you got put one me Igbo you talk, I'll be listening to you. Ashima Amadoha. Amadoha nanani hamabuki. Ashima eni kwa kukaki kubuoki. Ashimi hiola na enye good thing. Hiola na tutoni mentwa. Cease ye from your existence. Somebody who they wish you want, you're not going to fabricate your story just to get social media validation. Get where the impetus to tell us not to lie. If you ever make this utterances, may you never wake up to see anything good in your life. So you guys just forgot so soon because you want to, for me to generalize what sympathy, you are useless. Also, what is not pronoun? Who now forget how this guy information jeopardize their struggle for years. Ya be ya to people aka. A lot of men are work overnight. They can't even stand because they don't know what he's up to. You know? They can't even come up and challenge this beast. Will not forget overnight. May God punish anybody that will come out to solicit for this. Well, there's no need of ranting. You can take a flag and get that 3 persons. One is from England, one is from US. Submit the Hambara first class tickets. Runa submitted the application to tell you how this guy has caused mayhem in people's life. Fabricated stories, lies upon lies, lies upon lies. He gave proof who come an NGO a fraudulent NGO. Makachineke kremunage. That telegram is sharoto kechi. Udele imana your problem. Imana your biggest downfall on this earth is ogechi. Would there be Leganya your problem? I am your biggest problem. He gave proof about she more imbecile 2 boys. He gave proof about my dad in a rape. He gave proof who declared me wanted in the country of Nigeria. All of you that labeled and on your but I wish you know. And I'm just now baragama. Get fucking prepared. Fucking prepared. All of you will join Udele. Udele will join all of you. That was why I told Daisy Empire, if you ever any day email Udele accepting your live program, I will stop to share your program. I am a very straightforward being. I don't know how to sugarcoat life. I don't know how to lie for you to like me. I am real. Like me for me being who I am. I don't pretend. I don't fake life. I am straight as I want to. You feel me? I told her and I stopped sharing her. What are you trying to do? Who? The same person but I'm mega accused. Nature Kobianagi Noska Obiara. That will be the last visitation of Udele gave me. Udele will not see any part of this country again. Himayama, this is your right for the rest of your life. You have been set. That's a right to give for the rest of your being. And somebody will sit up and tell me, what? That's why are we laughing? Are you okay? Are you really okay? Huh? Are you really okay? Let me block one time for rubbish. Are you really motherfucking okay? And somebody will come and tell me, Ogechi, why are you guys jubilated? But turn the Udele jubilated on what they call it on J Park arrest. Just ordinary addiction. Huh? J Park, I don't even know why you did no video about him. This guy has been a terror. The only but social media like this, this guy has been a terror on the so-called weak IPOP. Some weak IPOP members has turned to become Udele so-called fan. Look at these pictures that are labeled here. Look at you. A man in a vibrate. No Nigeria go me arrest. If he come, I go pay you. Eh? Oh no. We are busy clapping for who? Somebody who no place of his own that is tagged. Come on, have a plot. Abuja na asylum. Man, an asylum in Nigeria. Do you know that? Don't worry. I'm going to channel everything about Udele. Very I'm going to bigger your end. When I tell you, I get you. If you no prove oh no, but just look at the laugh. Matthias, you will go in back. I could not listen to me on Matthias' case. I could shimba on Ariano, on Ariano, Shia, Aria will fake. Aria is Aria fake. Why don't you listen to me? Aria fake. There is no need of I get repeat it again. This time around, he will be taken forever. Matthias, if I don't complete what I told you, you must go back in. You must go back in. I want them to Isiagu. After Udele, you will be next. You must go. You can't get away with bullshit. Enough of your madness. Go to court. Rubbish. But don't release this thing. Take him to court. After no release, madness increase. His stupidity increased to 1.1 billion. Nobody, and when whom any stone that happened touched, like rubbish on Udele too much. Let people have peace. Who no very bring ethnicity or religion war between Igbos and Elunu rubbish and aboba and Elunu rubbish and aboba. All these useless boys. Pick all of them and send them where they belong. After all of their age mates in Ochananga. What are they doing? Causing more mayhem and blew up. Pick all of them one after another and let them go and rest where they belong. Let there be sanity. Let there be sanity. Where there is no rules and laws that govern that place. That is why America is very decent. Commit a crime, you pay for it. They commit a crime of 2 months, you go for it. They commit it for 3 months, you go for it. Nobody is a fucking above the law. Because Nigerians do not implement many things. Pick all of these rats. Let them serve their time. 1 year serve for Chagapata. 5 years serve for Chagapata. Came on no Ijele life to get paid the sacrifice and rest in hell. And then Susu. And don't the Western world, rules and the laws and the regulations govern a country how they behave like animals. Ewu. And I say happen. Oh, you guys are the one increasing this stupidity. I wouldn't man rubbish yana boba. Because nobody have taken this up to themselves and do justice to stupidity. Everywhere ne susu. Everywhere ne susu. Onya potaye ku anyhow, jakish anyhow. Watakere asafu bodo ya na amu ya mmiri. They'll be opening their mouth to carelessly. Now, Queen, who the heck are you that you will not fix the law? He won't, yeah? build because Facebook na you guys have lost moral, respect, integrities. What cultures is all about. What's your want to respect? Udele totrola ohaneze Ndi Igbo boha ka ashi. Udele totrola ohaneze Ndi Igbo boha ka ashi. Our elders. Liye ha ka anu. What's your want right to talk where these idiots are talking? Where these idiots are talking? And I buy Udele amam na ebino na. And a president like going to petition against you. Governor can petition against you. Senator can petition. Yeah, can I say what have I? Am I why you're deleting videos or you think people are not downloading the videos? I don't understand. I just don't understand. And more of you are going to go down. But okay, we don't see again. Because I'm that idiot that made a video that go and arrest Udele. I don't know why you deleted that video. Amado Hamaburugi, that's your charge and best store. That's your Rimeri store. Very stupid thing. And when he talks, you know that he's an illiterate, a tout with a capital letter. Very irritating set of people. I don't know why you guys are deleting videos. Are you guys not a man? Are you guys not men enough? They're a bunch of touts. When I get me implement law, so people will begin to reason that they are human beings, they are not animals. That there were rules that governs everything that she does in this life. And then Susuare, and I'm Maria, and then Susuare, because of it, he hates it on you like it when I got join your stupidity. Oh, I don't like her. Let me just join on instead of you to stand on the truth. Okay, they hate it because of he hack on social media. You don't know, and the person up at the defend you hate that person because of him. Because of your stupidity. One thing about Ndebani, like when they are spoken. When you are spoken, you have become a threat. When you stand on your rights, you have become a threat. It affects our main ego. They become egoless. They begin to see, oh, you are very sorry. No, because you stand on your rights. They like those ones who got suppressed, me intimidate. You're not supposed to talk. When they are talking, you're not supposed to talk. Very useless set of things. Diggy will not be happy at home. Diggy will not happy. The man himself don't suffer. No. But they are not yet married though. They are not yet married. Even some of them have been married more than 3 or 4 wives. They cannot keep to a wife. Marriage you have been enjoying. There is no problem. Your marriage is going perfectly. Some of them are lubalo. Some of them cannot even keep a girlfriend. More or less of a wife. To tell you how naive and primitive this set of people are. Very archaic, remote fools. Equal, you become a bad person. Oh, she's very arrogant. Oh, she can. Oh, I can't stand her. Nama join ya. Despite the toya name, let me join the idiots. Or they can want to be a comment in a comment section. Okay, I support you on this one. Mashio sooner negi. He supports you on what? Come on, just keep being against me. You swan. You won't yara. Man that doesn't have integrity. Very local smelling. Boxer shihane shimbi. They look like a chicken on the channel. He will face what he have never faced since his career. I will end your career. It's a promise. Write it down. I will be your downfall. You thought I was playing. You don't know me. I don't get mind. None of you get mind. I swear with my life. I don't get mind. And then Susware. Don't mind them trauma. Don't mind them weak men. Weak men up and down. Now they are jubilating what they couldn't do. What they couldn't do. What they couldn't do. And then it's sorry. Like about our women insult. They still accommodate it. Now our fathers insult, they still accommodate. Look at his life. Look at the Achia Udele. What I predict Rimugi. I question Amuma Dihire. Eburum Gamuma. I predicted what will happen to you. Mando Tigishi, they just invited you. You will go and come out tomorrow by this time. Udele, where are you? Anamaju, is Udele? Can somebody answer me on comment section? Udele Potago? Udele Potago. I want somebody to answer me. Udele Potago. And when they born king, he remained a servant. Even Nakuje, he can never be king anywhere. He has never been a king, and he will never be. Now Istanbul, I would a bottom person. At the port where with Ghana Moscow, he came back. They contributed for him to get an apartment for him. He has never been a king. He can never be a king of nowhere. Even in the lion tail, he can. Even if in the hell, he can never be a king. And when they who king, and they claim it, but they can never be. He's number one. He can never lie to this life will do us parts. He can never obtain any king position until Yanwo. Even inside the Kuje, he remained a bottom sheet packer. He remained a nobody. And when a boga who king, you're in the place of Ndozori China, it's not body. No, that the semi pop Shayawa and I pop member. Like yesterday, I posted one and one atono. When he can himself, when he can Dr. Balayashi, you need to lose weight or you payment. But for you claim that Nnamdi Kanu is your leader, your savior. You went and you are still supporting Udele because he's useless. He want a problem with religion. I want to tell you how naive and stupid all of you guys said it. Udele no ho ya torment to me Igbo. Molested them to all. Even man, I remember Mbendame. That time I Bundame. Actually, know who me Igbo. That's why who are the biggest fan of that idiot? Igbo. The so-called Igbo. Hip hop. That's why I have problem with that group. They can't stand fame. Only few of them with a brain. Only few with a brain. Majority of them are brainless. And not Koiri. Yahu, on your shower, Nnamdi Kanu got Patanga, Yakori, I'm not the bonu, and when he hear I'm going to before got social media. And when something in yesterday, to God forget where you started and where you're going. I just don't get it. Because you don't know the history, you have not witnessed this guy. Or are you afraid of him? Because I know that the majority of you guys are afraid of that thing. I know that a lot of you guys are afraid of him. It's afraid of that thing, that smelling fagot. Because all of you I know who this person is. I'm a former. I studied him. I sat down. I dissect his manner from beginning to the end. He's nobody. Here we go one massage. He did the same performance in Istanbul. He did it. He showcased it. He give it the 2019. Okay, don't worry. I'll be sampling it. Don't worry. Up there, I will sit down and analyze his stupidity. Idiot. You need to wipe all these men and not consult to nuisance. Wipe out. What are they living for? Causing problem to people, the good ones, spending their years and got something in life. Where are they living? None of social media now calls to mayhem. No susu. Because of that, it's not working in Nigeria. Again, they put us again in susu. No make onye ri. And some people will sit down and be listening to who? To who? Who ne chefu? Because na ne Canada put as ne preaching. He's no longer coming out. Because the highest people who lost memory are Ndi Igbo. They forget so easily. Oh, history, huh? Igbo put some of their men. I was watching A1. I was watching A1 the other day. Mashi young boys to Ilulu. They can't even tell Ilulu. Mashi chai. I was trying to use that video to say something. I wouldn't doubt when I talk, they will open mouth and talk. Do you know that our boys cannot even tell Ilulu? Straight. Can they talk straight? And they get protection you a man. Time is shown what makes you a man. No matter how educated an Igbo man is, oh my Ilulu. No matter how informed, how reformed an Igbo man is, oh my Ilulu. I was looking at them. None of them can't even tell Ilulu. I was so pained. I would say, so now, I'm actually again you the head of your family. Your sisters are not long sorry, your sisters are not looting. So you got one dog go give to Ilulu. You cannot use Ilulu and tell them. How about Ndi Igbo na Jilulu abare abgabari go to Ilulu bari go to Ilulu to go to Ilulu before Gama talk the hand. I was watching that his comedy this thing. Imananda ama who shake him. Lenu. No wonder they are lost. No wonder the majority of them are lost. Who came in here? They hate correction. They hate when you say the truth. Who are you to talk? State it. Say it the way it is. Rubbish. Time. I don't belong in any circle. I stand on my own. So when I finish, I can only remember what maybe he made me when I needed it. I can only remember on a group. I don't talk to you every day. I can only show my gratitude, and that ends there. One more time, group comedy group rubbish. Udele. Hearing them predict they're gonna make our name. Ask him from there. Abocha remind in court. It's irigi your bare condition. Everything I started it's irigi your bare condition. Let me see who will come up with your bare condition. Because I got market don't be selling. Nobody. Nobody. And when they got stuck with their head, you don't even have anybody. No God die with by me. Okay. Okay, no idea. Okay, my dear. My bag from there straight up to Kuje. Udele, they was in the petition that begging Ishi today. And when they won, show me what powerful man of God. Could you imagine? You heard about this thing and you kept quiet? Come on, put my another man of God. This idiot on our torment. I don't want to call their names until the application. Could you imagine? Eh? Ogechi, somebody tagged me on your program. You see why I said you should be tagging all these churches? You see why I told you to be tagging all these churches? Somebody tagged me and I watch you. I never knew. I'm not this kind of a thing, Mary. Nayana Kusuloya. Where the lawyer connected me to him. You know, he has to contact to another man of God. Udele, what's your problem? What's your problem, man? Go back, eh? Come who? More petition on the way coming. Him not joking. Even I had to call her. Shaku, please, let him in. I go share her. I go. She didn't go there today. Okay, she pick up tomorrow. But this night, okay, conference. You heard this idiot to get face out water or what? More people are coming. Mandi Bonoshi, Mandi manipulator, the lies and ha. You didn't know Chegonyagaga won't tag it. That's the one you may be. Nobody knows your whereabouts. E warrior no bugebe jeba ugwu ahe na no na confuse ndị mmadụ. Wonyema your whereabouts. Gana worry ka cricket. Nte? Ono mani cricket nte? Now worry baga worry ba na etari everywhere. Ana chugging. Na chugging machine no. Something must be done. I have to put up my thing. As soon as I put the address, get you there. Guy about that guy. Guy shall quality. Here came in 2019 matter through page destroy ya. You see how the audacity she got buried. Yetiwe. Netiko nya gbara ogwu. Puta. Etishanent. Teacher internet ya tuturu umu nwoke Igbo kaya ego kaya education kaya investment kaya nwe the was no onye enwe anybody ono wa ha otu na ba ha opa okwula ha oketere no wa this person is nobody. There's nothing. No matter what is going on. Hey, Onyana is a nobody, deportee. That is an empty. He's a nobody. You know the award. You're not wearing the get away and all on you. I wouldn't want to party with him. Lies upon lies upon lies. And Ndi Igbo dem ma kondisha dem man e follow donya. Ndedika this drunkard they know na Germany. Very lost. Oh, when you look at them, you see their history. Those that traveled and couldn't achieve shit. Lost in cocaine, lost in heroin, lost in mini, lost in eyes. And when who kishi them man. When you listen to their speech, they don't make no single sense. They are out help gonna this world. Hey, they should go live for her to somebody. Somebody pick go live. Happens here her chaff. And they live on that chaff. That you Ndi Igbo before call another Igbo generation. Huh? I need to say, Prince, Ubuaki he get send the petition will go. If you don't have the direction, make us say, Onyo Wula, yam na baggy will rugged. That's it. Untia paralaya here. Prince, how are you? Can't many long time. Onyo Wula need to send it. Well, Udele, and Ashia, do you know this person? Actually, I can't remember. That's okay. You got to remember. Play a small video. That's okay. Okay, with it. Udele, are you seeing what I'm saying? Udele, are you saying what I'm saying? How bag it okay, child? All your problem. Any day, but I got no about Buko B. I wouldn't many people are gonna go in. They will sweep the corridor. Look at it, very clean. Look at it, very clean. Look at it, very clean. And we have Changa Hoto Horacha. So many of you video no ga put on social media. Agbara mgi awro wuru the only child in the game like wuru we gishemba. Ga wuru that when anybody go gishemba, una go here nwe. If onyo megene, if onyo choko actually Udele chemi with a connection when they man. Connection I go just omo hende omo ruru hende. I not tell you. Everything in Baraga go merebe. Well, internet so gi one day all this oma akona bata ha aka ha na obodo oyibo. Chineke mere ebe he fit America or Canada, especially in that useless things in that no China Canada. On your fan, all these bleacher them worthless things. I want them human traffickers. We play with nothing to write home about. They are what like that. You know, people that you communicate with. You feel me? Sunday the kage na hana. You feel me? Unye paruru. Lenu ogugu. That is the kind of people People life for how somebody have taken their own life. Leave. You understand? Like who bless like this idiot to South African mortuary bomb. Useless things everywhere. Messed up lives. And don't get oh no, Aburibo. Namdi like our after Nigeria, baby, my country to country. You like to spend money. It's the sweetest. It depends them. It's the sweetest. Now what I was getting a law, I got I see no law like him. A local like a money but I am. No, Dala. I come or they go late. Na me go and where they come, na me go the residence. Na me go they bring them where nobody goes slow. When you lie, let's walk at your town. Mama, na me go the residence. Even na me go they make the call. Half a konya has mo get cool panada. I get all bad baba. Say I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. Na me to remind them. And we had no party. When you like most get whatever everybody deserves. Nah, until late. Nobody goes come. Like a number one every time one of my call. Have fun. Go now. She'll get cool down. Okay. Now we tell you now. We look at this up. She'll come up. Man up come. Dala, man up come. Which come na gini mere. Mbosubuno buruki trebum she hapo biko bi akanko. Mbono buruki tenem pobe allegation elu ban nam jire puomu. Mabam jire mu impesel. Mabam jire bu on na menko to close my mouth. Oh ashima mado hamabu no nini. All this mere allegation will shut me up. Now lie you, that is what pushed me. I don't know shungban. Man I guess Runike. And that man I guess Runike. Udele ga arrest Udele. Why would you delete? Why that idiot? Are you no longer man? Go the video delete. Delete negi ki delete nagi. You no longer man. Ndala. Unu jena, unu kapta. Ndina, unu ka be vida sha. I get you. Kaka. Manda mo tra English, manda mo tango mo akeje mela. And I'm here. Old soldier never die. You can't teach an old dog a new trick. Lie. I'm sure. I can't she. But the less dirty pig. Now be with real justice. Now with the justice in this show get. I get you talking. Guys, please click love and like. They are reporting my video. Share. When I share like me. When I come. No, I'm not live. Don't come online. Okay. Negi wanna shower munu negi. Block it negi. Share. Click love. I shall get you. Nugget, but I won't nugget. Oh, who they call me? Why are you calling me? Oh, now guys, I'll call you guys later. I'll call her. The very important. Where's my daughter's phone? Okay. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm there, my sister. How you doing?
How about you?
Fine, ma.
Yeah. Oh, they send me your job.
Oh, let me turn this. I don't.